chumming right now.
Chumming? What the hell's that?
They're trucking the shark now.
Welcome back to Shortcuts. I'm David Seth, the Killer Chef, and today we're heading to Amity Island. We're not just creating snacks, today we're creating a fiending frenzy, the Chum Bucket Tuna Sliders. Rare, jagged, and absolutely phenomenal. We want them thin and riveting, like something you'd find in a shark's mouth. This is a quick, savory snack that plays on the famous chumming scene. It's messy, bold, and perfectly on theme. First, the bait. Sushi grade Ahi Tuna. We're cutting them into thin slices. A little salt, a healthy coat of sesame. Now we hit the heat.
All right, stop the boat. Stop the boat!
Sear in a screaming hot cast iron skillet with a touch of oil for only 30 to 45 seconds per side. The goal is a thin ring of cooked gray on the outside with a vibrant, raw, blood red center. We want a sear that looks like a shoreline, but inside, it's pure, deep sea red. You can't have a shark attack without a little chum.
Run down and chum some of this shit.
1/2 cup fresh beet juice for that deep, anatomical red color. 2 tablespoons of sriracha. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Simmer in a pan. This creates a vicious, dark red liquid that looks strikingly cinematic when drizzled. To get a realistic bloody drip that isn't just plain hot sauce, create a thickened glaze. Use a brioche slider bun. Set the seared ahi square on top. Drizzle the beet sriracha glaze directly over the tuna so it bleeds down the sides of the bun. This isn't just sauce. It's viscous, it's vibrant, and it's gonna bleed across the plate.
The thing about a shark, he's got lifeless eyes, black eyes, like a doll's eyes. When he comes at you, he doesn't seem to be living until he bites you.
Start with a classic American lager, ice cold, like the North Atlantic in the middle of July. Now we drop the iceberg. 1 scoop of sharp lemon sorbet.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
It's going to foam, it's going to fizz, and it's going to cut right through that tuna. And go down with 3 barrels, not with 3, come.
Not with 3, Ken.
That's mighty fine lager. The best part is that you don't have to go out into the water for this one. This is the Chum Bucket Tuna Sliders and Quinn's Revenge. Like, subscribe, but get out of the water. And go down with 3 barrels, not with 3, come.